Quality tools for serious work. It's what you need to get the job done. And that's exactly what you get from the entire family of NorTrac machines. Take this towable trencher. Get all the power you need to tackle a wide variety of landscaping projects. Including trenching, planting trees, moving rocks and dirt, and removing stumps. Add versatility and usefulness with a variety of attachments sold separately. Stay stable and strong with outriggers. Smoothly control the direction of the trencher with the two controls. Use your outriggers to move where you need to work and stow them neatly when you're done. Easily hook it up to your ATV, UTV, tractor, or lawnmower to transport it wherever you need it. Take on your toughest landscaping jobs with this towable trencher from NorTrac.